Hello YouTube. Today we're going to talk about putting a TV in your 21C. First we looked at, there's limiting size to what we could fit in here. So after doing a bunch of research, I decided on a Insignia 24-inch F20 Fire TV with 1080p. 1080p is about the highest they go. They don't go to 4K in this size, but it does give good picture quality for the screen size. Also, I wanted a smart TV to be able to run off Wi-Fi and get Netflix and a bunch of other apps that I normally use. And the Insignia 24-inch fits perfectly in this spot here. So I'll put a swivel arm on there. It's from Amazon as well. It's from Wally TV. It's a 15-inch extension arm in white. As you can see here, the extension arm is white. And I did use some different screws, mounting screws, and came with the Wally TV unit. I ended up using some stainless steel 14x1 sheet metal screws that I got at Lowe's. I'm sure you can get them at Home Depot as well, but they work perfectly fine. And the reason I got them was because it has a flat head design, and I didn't have to use a washer to mount it. Whenever you do mount them though, make sure that you pre-drill a small hole in each section. That way it's easier to go ahead and put the screw in. There is a support here on the edge if you do not get the full plywood on this hole in this wall. There is enough plywood here behind the wall here to support this mount. Okay, so here's the swivel arm, and make sure to get it in white as it blends in with the wall better. And here is the swivel feature. This is the way it looks from the back. And these are the screws holding in the wall mount. And right here you will notice that we did not mount and put in the screws right here. You can put some screws to permanently put this TV on this mount, but what we do is we unhook it for travel. So all you do is just unhook it like this, take it off and put it on when you're going to use it. And then this is your view from the dinette. This is your view of the TV. So you have a really good view of the TV while you're sitting down and eating. So obviously this is the best location for the TV in the 21C due to the connections being up above the TV here. There's a connection for cable and your power connection. Here's the remote for the Fire TV. So it has buttons for Netflix, Prime Video, DirecTV, and Peacock. And also another addition we used is we got this Bose speaker. It is completely waterproof and it fits perfectly underneath the TV. It has a loop here so you can put it on a carabiner and take it with you, or just put it in your backpack or your bag to go. It's very lightweight. It has great sound. It can last up to 12 hours on one charge. It also floats, so if you're on the water, it'll float. Haven't tried it yet, but that's what the instructions say. And one thing I like about it is it's pretty loud, and it does have really good bass. So when you're watching a movie in bed or just on the dinette, it has really good full sound, especially for this size of speaker. I would highly recommend this TV setup with the TV, the mount, and the Bluetooth speaker. The Bluetooth speaker is very easy to connect to the TV. It takes a few seconds. So if you're looking for a TV setup for your 21C, I highly recommend this. It looks great. It has great connectivity. You can use the antenna, cable. We've used cable through it. We use the Wi-Fi for all the smart features in it with Netflix and all that, Spotify, and the speaker. It sounds amazing, and you can take it with you wherever you go. So if you're looking for something for your 21C, I highly recommend it. It's a top pick. So let me know in the comments what you have in your 21C, if it works well for you or not, or if you try this, go ahead and let me know. Tell me if you like it or not. But I guarantee you, you'll love it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This is Travel MC, out.